Welcome to Let's Cook That Book. I'm Mimi Baines and today we're cooking from Donna new cookbook, Modern Baking. Today we're going to be making her chocolate peppermint caramels on page 107. This is a really quick and easy recipe. All of Donna recipes are foolproof, so I have all faith in her cookbooks. We're going to pop all the ingredients into the saucepan, so the cream, sugar, butter, some golden syrup, vanilla bean extract. I find the better the quality, the better the product will be. A couple of teaspoons. And then lastly, secret ingredient, the peppermint. So you don't want too much of this, it's very overpowering if you put too much in. So just a little bit of this in. We'll bring that up to the boil and then cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until we get to about 124 degrees. This thermometer is probably one of my favourites. You can stir around with it and while you're stirring, you'll be able to tell the temperature, which is great. The caramels just come up to temperature. We're going to wait for the bubbles to subside a little bit and then pour it into the dish and set aside for 8 hours. I'm just going to use our handy thermometer, which also doubles as a spatula, to get all of this in the dish. We don't even need to put this one in the fridge. We can just leave it on the bench for about 8 hours to firm up a little bit. The chocolate peppermint caramel has been sitting on the bench for 8 hours and it's nice and set. So we're going to put it onto a board. As you can see, it looks so nice and smells even better. You can smell the mint through it. We've just put some melted chocolate into a piping bag. We're going to chop the tip off and then drizzle it over the caramel. It's a fun thing for the kids to do as well. There we go. So I'm just going to let the chocolate sit for a bit until it hardens up and it's easier to slice. The chocolate's just set enough, so we're going to slice up these peppermint caramels. Make sure you've got a nice sharp knife to get through this toffee. I'm just going to tidy the edges so that all our rectangular caramel pieces look the same. Plus, I get to eat these offcuts. Okay. Just going to slice these up into rectangles, nice small ones so that you can eat them one bite at a time. And these are ready to be plated up on this gorgeous cake stand we have here. Pop them on. These make a great gift as well, so you can package them up into little boxes or bags and give them to your friends and family. And there you have it, there's Donna chocolate peppermint caramels. So delicious.